Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part of this color on your document. Right now we have no colors because we haven't done anything with this. This is just a clip art. I'm going to convert it to a bitmap. I'm going to trace the bitmap with outline trace and clip art. Take just a second, and we're not going to worry about how good it traces or anything. And we're going to go to Object, and we're going to ungroup this. But it still doesn't show up. So one thing you can do, draw you a square or a rectangle and get your eyedropper tool and click on that color and then fill it in with that box, and it adds it to your color palette of your document. And if you hover over it, you could tell what color it is by and you could recreate this color. It's red 255, green 0, and blue 126. So you could actually recreate that color. And we can do the same thing with the yellow. Just draw you a square, use the eyedropper tool, grab that color, and it actually shows you the color right there. And then you just hover over the color, and it's going to tell you the color. It's red 254 by green 254 and blue 0. So those are, you can tell different, if you're doing, most of the videos I make are for Corel, Corel videos are for laser engravers, and you're not going to use these colors. But if you're making a poster for somebody and you want to, if they send you that clip art and you want to use those exact colors, you could remake those colors where you could reuse them. Because then you could get any shape you wanted and fill it in with that color by going back to that color and then filling it in with the bucket. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.